Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is August the 11th, 2022. I am here to talk about Twitter today to try to piece some pieces together to the puzzle and try to see whether or not the price in Twitter is going to move higher, because there's been some things that has occurred recently that you all have probably already heard about Elon Musk selling some of his Tesla shares. Why would he do that? We're going to try to figure it out, because the chart would tell us how the market is anticipating him coming in and buying Twitter, or how the lawsuit is going against Twitter and himself. Let's talk. Now, before I get started, welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I don't pay attention to what's being talked about on the news, social media, mainstream media. I pay attention to the price chart, and the price chart gives us ample amount of information that we should be able to come through and say, all right, cool, I think I can see where the market is trying to go without all of that noise, without all of that rah-rah, because so many other people on YouTube are giving you the rah-rah, but they're not giving you any substance. The chart is the substance. Pay attention to the money, for real. And I want to show you all that. So in order for you all to continue to support me, like all of my day ones, I definitely want to make sure that you all keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel, because I am not going to pump these stocks. I only utilize these stocks to make money. I'm not in love with them because they can't love you back. I just want to use them to make the money. Let's talk. So you guys can see right here, I got on the screen that all the headlines was talking about how Elon Musk sold 7.92 million shares of Tesla, right? About $6.88 billion worth. Now, why in the world would this man do that? Prior to this, you all know that he ran into a debacle with Twitter, how he wanted to buy Twitter, and then he kind of backed out. And Twitter's like, all right, hold on. You're not going to break this contract that we had with you, Elon. We're going to take you to court. We're going to hold your feet to the fire of you buying this company. So now they're going to trial, right? Now you guys can see, if we're looking at Elon selling $6.8 billion. Now, why would one man need that much money? Why would he have to create that much liquidity if he's not trying to buy something major, something of worth, that is worth that much? Twitter? How much is Twitter worth? Just think about it. When you see the price chart in Twitter, let me show it to you. Okay, look at what the price has been doing in Twitter. If the situation was getting dimmer for Twitter and the shareholders, the market would not be seeing the price go up, right? The market in Twitter, ever since Elon came out and said that he doesn't want to buy it anymore, the first 2 days the market digested it as, okay, we need to figure this out. You know, we didn't consider that Elon was going to try to come in and do a backdoor and say that he doesn't want to buy the company anymore. So those first 2 days of when I did the video, the market did hit our areas of TP. That was one area of taking profit, was right there around 33. I told you all that. Go back and listen to the video. It was done on July the 9th. Check it out. Because those 2 days, the market digested this information like, hold on. The insiders, the ones who know about this contract, the verbiage, the legalese of the words, say Elon's going to have to do something. Either he's going to have to pay a penalty, or he's going to have to put his money, $6.88 billion worth, maybe a little bit less than that, and buy this company, because the price in Twitter has done nothing but gone up. If they felt that the price in Twitter, where Elon Musk wanted to buy it, was like what, $52, $54, I think he was willing to buy the company. It looks to me like the market's trying to find an equilibrium to where he's going to buy the company. Right now it's around 44. Is that where the agreement price per share is going to be? Or is it going to be a little bit higher? Are they really going to hold his feet to the fire to buy Twitter at $54 per share? I think it's 54. I may be wrong, but it's up there. Let's look at the chart, because this is what information is. So let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction, because if you guys didn't get in on these 2 days, or maybe one day after I completed the video, you did not have opportunity to bag the profit, right? You didn't have it. That was 11.75% move to the downside relatively quick, because the market came right back up soon, and it's been going up since. So this tells me that outside of all of the rah-rah of everyone doing videos day in and day out about Elon and him purchasing Twitter, the chart is telling us that it looks in favor that whatever Twitter agreed on with Elon, whatever they agreed upon, that they are winning, because the market is taking that information as such. If there was any doubt that Twitter was on the wrong end of this deal, the market would not be trending higher, because they know, the insiders know, those who are closely attached to the situation know that they got Elon. That's why the market is not going down, because the moment that he came out and said that he doesn't want to do the deal, the market went down, but it came right back up real quick. So it looks to me like Elon is going to be held to what he says, to what he said he's going to do regarding Twitter. Money don't lie. Charts don't lie. So looking at this chart real quick, I'm still looking at the price in Twitter to go up. It's still bullish. The market strength in Twitter is still here on the chart. Now we have identified a downtrend though. Okay, so we are encroaching, we are approaching an area that we can see the market in Twitter begin to go down, right? And the area would be, I'm eyeing around maybe $46 to like 48. Okay, but the strength is here. Looking at Twitter on the 3-day chart, we have 8 hours and 43 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar, and it's there. The market over the last couple of 3 days has done nothing but went up in price. 5-day chart, again, you all can see it there, that the market in Twitter is still bullish. It looks to me like the market is trying to find a place that Elon is going to buy the stock or buy Twitter. Okay, it's been a very good run. I give the market excellent credit for that, because from the low of this weekly price bar to where the market closes right now, it's already 36%. That's very good. So now let's go ahead and put on a price prediction real quick. Okay, I don't think we got too far to go now, because if you wasn't already in the play in Twitter, you may be running out of gas for us to see how high the market's going to go. Yeah, it's only like 3.46%, because that would be my first price target right there. And again, that may not even be worth putting on this prediction for us to see the market go there to like $46. What do you think? Is that worth it? Because that would be the first area, would be 46. 48 would be the second, or a little bit, maybe a little bit lower than 48. Maybe 7%. You'll take that. What do you think? Because basically, by us seeing the market run up so far in such amount of time, we need to be prepared to see the price come down to. And 42 and 40 will be those areas that I would suspect the market and Twitter to try to come in and buy the stock before Elon comes in and makes the deal. I think they're trying to have the trial in October. So we may see the market just inch a little bit higher within its price target area and then begin to come back down once we get to the October time frame. Okay, so let me hold that there. Two price targets, 46 and then 48. Secondly, if we do see price run down and the buyers hold 42, then we may run up to 48. But if the market comes down initially from out the gate and we run down to 40, then 46 will probably be the high that I'm looking for the market and Twitter to run. All right, so that's it right there. Let me know your thoughts though. Give me your price prediction, your price target for Twitter. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.